Hey friends, thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to be drawing and coloring Huggy Wuggy. Keelin's going to be coloring him, and I'm going to show you how to draw. Does that sound like a plan?
Mm-hmm.
All right. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can get all of our videos. All right, let's get started. Well, first, I'm going to start out by drawing 2 circles. Just a little bit above the middle of the page, and these are going to be his eyes.
Hi friends, today we're doing Huggy Wuggy, so we just did draw it.
And after I draw the 2 circles, then I'm going to draw 2 lines inside, kind of like some crescent moons, and 2 circles on the sides of his eyes, and those are going to be the reflections. You'll see a little bit later.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now we're going to start with his mouth. We're going to start over here on this side. We're going to go down and go under the eye, and then up and under the other eye. We're going to curve back around and down and go back up and connect with our starting point. Now we're going to draw the inside of his mouth. We're going to hook a little bit, and we're going to kind of go parallel with the bottom of his mouth and hook again at the top. Then for the top lip, we're going to just follow this contour all the way up and meet up with the other line. And there's the shape of his mouth. Next, we're going to draw his teeth. Now, Huggy Wuggy has lots of crazy teeth, and you can kind of just put them wherever you want with Huggy Wuggy, because they're all over the place. You can draw as many as you want and as far back as you want. But we'll just draw these for now.
Hey, Pop.
Yeah.
Right there.
Ooh, yours looks really good, dude.
Yeah.
I like it. Next, we're going to draw the rest of his head, so we're going to start up here in the corner, and we're going to do a few zigzags. Then we're going to bring it down, circle underneath the mouth, draw another little zag, and connect it to the bottom of his chin. Then we're going to go back up to the top, and we're going to kind of angle it down, and then back up again. And we're going to do some zigzags on this side, just like the other side. Then we're going to bring it down.
We'll do that again.
And we're going to draw another little zag on this side. Then we're going to bring his shoulders down.
Hey, Pop.
And they're just going to kind of fade off into nothing.
Hey, Pop.
Now for his bow tie. Hold on, Keelin. Now for his bow tie, we're going to draw this little square under his lips or under his chin. Then we're going to circle this bow around and back up to the square. Then we're going to do the same thing on this side.
Hey, Pop. I think I don't do out yet.
Okay, hold on. And then we're going to start up here by the top part. And we're going to kind of follow along that line, but we're going to connect it down here in the bottom part of the bow.
Hey, Pop,
And then we're going to start right here and take it back up to the square. And there's one bow. Hold on, buddy.
Hey, Pop, are you staying with me?
In a bit. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And there you have the drawing of Huggy Wuggy. Now I'm going to go ahead and start coloring with Keelin. And we'll talk to you in a second as soon as we're done coloring. Let's get to it. You're doing an amazing job, Keelin. Your coloring is really cool. What color is yours?
Blue.
Yep. Mine's blue too. Mine's just a different shade of blue. Are you done, Keelin? All right. Well, there you have it, friends. Huggy Wuggy. 2 different kinds of Huggy Wuggy. But it's all good because in art you can do whatever you want and color it whatever color you want, or just keep coloring however you want.
We should try one now.
Don't forget to subscribe so you can watch all of our videos and join us next time. Thanks, friends. Bye.